Okay, mate. Sorry for the late reply. SNM here. Is it into a 3-day apex? It is. It is into a 3-day apex, and it looks fantastic. It looks really good. I like the volume. I like the test pump, test spike. I like the pattern. I like the bottoming pattern. I like the deviation, potentially deviation down below these lows. Um, I like the fact that the 3-day apex is trying to work its way in here. You have to say I like the accumulation volume. I like the RSI. The RSI is bullish here. You have to say that it looks really good. I cannot fault it. Even the 3-month chart here, you can see that. Well, you can see the deviation clearly now. Coming down in here, if this can kind of hold and push higher. A new 3 month. Now, what would be a good buy would be a retest of kind of this pivot sort of area, which is about roughly 50% of the candle. If we opened up and had I don't know if we'd even dip down to there and move higher, but it would be a very good area to be buying. If I take you back to the daily chart, I mean, you can see where that is. This is just down here. I don't know if we'll even get down that far. Sometimes when you break out, you don't even get back that far. If there was a flush down there, I think it's a fantastic buying area. Right now, I don't even know if it'll get down there. These BTC pairs are pretty strong right now. That would be mm, that's a 30% drop. You can see here on a monthly as well. This deviation. This was a great buy after this candle. This was a great buy, and then you got this doji candle, which is also a great buy. Two of these candles down here on the very bottom on an increased volume, on a deviation, on a potential bottoming pattern. It's got really good signs here. I have to say, I do like it. I mean, I've said this about 100 times all week, but the safe way to be trading these things now is to be trading a new month, which is also a new 3 month. If we end up flipping green on a new 3 month, it's great. Can you imagine if you just waited here on this 3 month and a small dip and then it flips green, you buy, put a stop below that. You can sit back, all month on your positions, and you can see there it bounced actually 450%. Now, we could do the same again. We really could on a small dip, and pops up and flips green. We really could start moving at maybe 400%. This time might be a little bit more far-fetched, but this is a bullish 3 month candle, and we could go higher here for sure.